Alright, hey guys, welcome back to a new video. As you can see, I got a Fire-Lite panel today, an unboxing video, and it's gonna be the ES-200X. Very excited for this, very excited. What better way to unbox it but with the Fire-Lite key. It's gonna take a little bit. This is like some weird type of tape, actually. I don't know what this is. I might have to bring out the drywall saw. I like to be extra though, so I'm gonna use a flathead screwdriver. If this doesn't work, our backup is scissors. Now you might be asking, why am I not using scissors in the first place? Well, that's because I'm extra. I like to take the extra mile or whatever, I don't know. So, to avoid any scratching of that, I will use scissors on this part. Okay. And this part too. Oh wow, that's weird. Wow, that hurts. Okay. I can open this. Oh! Such an idiot. I scratched it. Wow. Please don't tell me I scratched the glass. Okay, I didn't. Okay. Well, here's the panel. It's got a broken piezo, which can be fixed. Probably won't fix it though, because I don't really like those piezos anyway, they're too loud. But anyway, we got a bunch of crap here, a bunch of good crap. And an 80, which I'm very happy about. I actually really wanted one of these. 2 3/6, well, actually. All these are IVs, wow. Alright, we got 3, probably, yeah, those are all IVs, so 3 365 IVs, MMF 301s, 2 BG12 LXs, FRN, that's notifier, fireman's hat, that might be a controller, relay, I don't know. Another one, that's probably a relay, yeah, recall again, so another relay. Awesome. Not awesome. There's no terminal blocks. That's okay though, I hope wait. I might not have any terminal blocks. That might not be very good. I'll find some. Let's put the key in the annunciator. So a lot of you guys are actually going to be surprised by this, and I will too. But this actually works on silent night panels. I think is a 5860 or whatever. But this actually... this would work on a silent night panel as a 5860. So that is very cool. I'm going to pause the video, wire up the AC, plug it in, and we'll go from there. Hold on. Alright guys, I found the terminal blocks actually. They were on the side in there. So that's good. I was actually getting a little scared because I actually do not have any terminal blocks. So yeah. Yeah, let me wire this. There it is on the floor. Crazy, right? Okay. I should wire this up. Oh. Alright, here we go. That works. Oh, that's cool. Guess the piezo does work, after all. Oh, this is the the worst part. Initializing. I'm gonna have to pause this for like 10 minutes while it initializes. Oh boy. That's crazy. Right after I unpaused it, it just went into initializing, but got all the terminal blocks on. As you see, it just initialized as soon as I unpaused, so it's actually great. Dialer is reporting not great, but we will fix that. So PA's always working. It's great. That's great. That is very great. Let's check our programming. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Yes, it is. Escape. Let me see the. I think it's under system. Yes. 2. What is it set to? Sync type S. Yeah, nice. Escape, escape, escape. Oh, yeah. Communicator. I don't think it's under that. Is it? I don't know. Let me just clear the entire thing. Now that should. Maybe it's under system setup. Dialer. Is that in there? Guess not. Done that. Reset. Oh, it's doing this again. Hey! That shouldn't be on. Maybe I should wire pull station up. Oh, I didn't even realize. This is the old pull station, the old BG12s. Oh, cool. Use the key. They didn't close this right. Wow. Okay, what the? Wow, these are old, yeah. Oh, I'm gonna pause that again until it initializes. Probably soon. Who knew these things flashed in light speed, bro? This is, I don't know if the camera really picks it up too well, but it's actually flashing light speed. I didn't even know these can do that. But anyway, I got all resistors in, the batteries. Only trouble is unused point, which we will program that in right now. Point program, module 1 for add 0, 0, 1. Okay, added that now. Now we have to edit 0, 0, 1. It says trouble monitor 2. Pull station. No. Okay. Now I have to go to loop setup, change it to clip, escape, 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 and that is saving. Alright, it's gonna do that, so I'm gonna pause it again. Alright, we're all normal now. It's still pulling kinda fast, but that's because it's the only device installed. It's not like flashing as fast on camera for some reason. I don't know if it'll pick it up now. There it goes.